Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today we'll be installing and fabricating our motor mounts for our LS swap that we're doing in our 67 C10 using a kit from Sinister Fab Worx. So here's what we got. The only thing that we're missing from the table are the two plates that bolt to the side of the block because, of course, yeah, they're on the side of the block. So you come with the pieces that you're going to make that go and hold your inserts for your urethane bushings. And then you got a rod that goes between them and all the hardware that puts them together. So let's get started.
So Mike started off by notching our tube that was going to be for our motor mount, and then he measured and attached the top portion which would house our urethane bushings. As luck would have it, during the first weld, we lost power, just like we have been ever since the storm from the last few months. So Mike then just started tack welding everything in place. With that completed, we then centered the engine in our frame rails and put it in the position that we wanted it. And then we used plates that we repurposed from our anti-squat cross member from Works Fabrication to weld our lower mounting motor mounts, should I say, brackets to. After test fitting it several times and making sure the engine was in the exact spot we wanted, Mike began tack welding the lower motor mount to the frame of our C10. Up next was actually tack welding the tube to the plate that fastens to our block. With the driver's side complete, the passenger side just kind of fell into place because, we'd already done everything once, so it was just kind of repeat rinse. As you can notice, I do have the factory AC lower bracket and an AC unit installed. That way we knew we had proper clearance for everything. With the mock-up and tack welding now complete, we're going to remove the motor and transmission from our chassis, and we'll go ahead and weld the motor mount brackets to our frame wide tip paint, and I'll take the other brackets to Mike to weld in the shop, seeing how my power doesn't want to stay on. And yes, guys, the intake is missing. Dave Vassar over at Nitrous Outlet needed to borrow it so they could fabricate some more steam port kits. So I went on ahead and removed it. That way he could use it instead of having to purchase one or find one else. So with our motor mounts completed, we went on ahead and put the transmission in the location we needed and welded in the brackets for it. And now we're just ready to reinstall the hump. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, please like and subscribe.